Good morning, students. Karuna Jogli teacher extends a warm welcome to all my dear students for today's geography lecture. Today's lecture is a special lecture arranged for you to provide you guidance about the topics which are reduced from your syllabus. You all are aware that nearly 25% of the syllabus is reduced by Maharashtra State Board in order to cope up with the situation which has arisen due to coronavirus. So today in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the topics which are reduced from the syllabus of subject geography for the year 2020-21. So before we start, I request all my dear students to take your geography textbook in your hand and a pencil. Please don't use pen for cancellation. Use only a pencil so that your book can be used by somebody else in the next year. I request all my dear students to take your geography textbook and sit. Also take a pencil for cancellation. Please don't use pen so that your book can be used by some other person who is in need in the next year. Please take a note, students. The topics which are reduced or omitted in this syllabus is only for the year 2020-21. So today's lecture will guide all of you on the right track. So we begin with our today's lecture, which is based on the topics which are reduced from your syllabus. Please take a note. This reduction in syllabus is done only for the year 2020-21. Let's start. Page number 2. Please see the question where I've put a cross. What precautions will you take continuously during the field visit? Next, correlate pulse cropping with low rainfall. Please put a cross over it with pencil. These topics are omitted from your syllabus for the year 2020-21. Page number 3. I am reading out the questions for you. Obtain information regarding multipurpose project. One more question. Vegetation is an indicator of difference in precipitation. What are the other indicators of difference in precipitation? Please cancel these two questions. We move on to the next question. Page number 7. See the questions. What precautions have to be taken while going to the sea coast? Next, what is the simplest method of understanding the timings of the tides? Please put a cross on these questions. Page number 8. What type of photographs will you click with respect to the field visit? On the basis of which points will you write the tour report? Next, during field visit, how will you obtain various types of information? Put a cross over these questions. So from the lesson field visit, we have cancelled these questions for the year 2020-21. Let's move on. We come to page number 10, lesson number 2, location and extent. Now see clearly where I have put a cross with the pencil. I am reading out those lines for you. With the help of figure 2.1, find the extent. Can you see this? Continue up to the right hand side. See the cross where I have put in degrees in blanks dash degree 4 minutes north to dash 6 degree north 6 minutes north latitude and between dash degree 7 minutes east to dash 25 east longitudes. Can you see I've put a cross over that? Below that we have observe figure 2.1. Identify the countries and water bodies around India and complete the table in your notebook. I've put a cross with pencil. Please see properly which lines are cut and accordingly do it in your textbook with pencil. Please observe each and every slide properly. And according to that, you make the cancellation in your textbook. We move on. Page number 11 of your textbook. You can see the box where we have put the cross. The box is related to directions, neighboring countries, seas, oceans, east, north, west, south. So put a cross over this. After that, come to right hand side. Observe figure 2.2. Identify Brazil's neighboring countries and ocean. Fill in the chart given below in your notebook. The table is directions, neighboring countries, oceans, north, west, south, east. Put a cross over it. Look at your screen properly. Look at each page number properly. See which topics we have cancelled, and accordingly, you please make the cancellation in your textbook. Please pay full attention, students. It is for your benefit. Page number 12, you can see few questions where we have put the cancel mark. Show the following elements in figure 2.3. Name all the continents and oceans of the world. Color Brazil and India using different colors and name them. Draw equator on the map and write its value in degrees. Show the symbol of direction. Put a cancel over this. Please observe carefully, students, and accordingly you put a cross in your textbook. We move on to the next page. Page number 13. See the box called as Give It a Try. Here you can see the imperial power which ruled Brazil also ruled a part of India. Find out when that part of India achieved independence. Put a cross over this question. Let's proceed. We are on page number 16. See the box, can you tell, at the bottom. You can see on the basis of figure 3.1, answer the following questions. In which directions do the Aravalis lie? Aravali ranges act as a water divide between which rivers? Name the hills located on the plateaus to the east of Aravalis. Across which states has the Deccan Plateau spread? Put a cross over them. See properly with your own eyes, students. Don't get confused, and accordingly you do the cancellation with pencil in your textbook. We move on. Page number 19, you can see the column, try this. Maps showing major rivers of Brazil and India are shown in figure 3.3 and 3.4. Take two tracing papers and prepare drainage basin maps of Amazon and Ganga. Name the basins. Write a comparative note on the basins of Ganga and Amazon River. You may consider following points for the comparison. Size of catchment area, their relative location within respective countries, headwater regions of rivers, orientation of the rivers, major tributaries and their orientation. Please put a cross. Here on the top you can see page number 19. One more line is given here on the right hand side, any other points. This line also you have to cancel. We move on to the next page. Page number 27. See the column, can you tell? Study the graphs given in figure 4.4 and answer the following questions. In which month is the highest temperature found in all the 4 cities? In which month does it rain the most in the given cities? When does Brazil have its rainy season? Which city has a maximum range of temperature? How much is it? What type of climate will be found in Rio de Janeiro? So this you have put a cross. Along with that you can see this diagram. Figure 4.4, annual average temperature and rainfall graph. You can see we have put a cross over this. And here one more column, give it a try. Considering the various factors affecting Brazil's climate, complete the adjoining table, regions and climatic characteristics. So you have to cut this box also. Please see properly and do the cancellation. Now we come on page number 28. Now let's start here. You can get the question, can you tell? Can you tell? Study the graphs given in figure 4.5 and answer the following questions. So this figure 4.5, average annual temperature and precipitation of graph is cancelled. You can see here. Okay. Now come here on the right hand side and see the questions. What difference do you find in the seasons of Chennai and other cities of India? Why? What similarity do you see in the temperature curves of Delhi and Kolkata? Calculate the average range of minimum and maximum temperature of all the four cities. In which city is the range minimum? What can you infer from this? In which city is the range maximum? What can you infer from this about its climate? Based on the temperature and rainfall of Mumbai, comment upon its climate. Classify the cities as cities with equable and extreme climates. You can see there is a cross on these questions. Please do the calculations properly, students. Don't be in a hurry. Observe every picture, every page number, every slide carefully and accordingly do the cancellation only with pencil. Page number 29, see on the top, use your brain power. Group the months into seasons for a whole year according to charts given. Find out more about different ways of classification and seasons. For example, what is summer? Next, page number 31. See the column, give it a try. Considering the location extent of Brazil and India, look for the differences in the elements of climate like temperature and rainfall as per directions. Write a short note on it. Cancel this. Give it a try. In which part of India are 3 crops grown in a year? How is this related to the rainfall over there? Put a cross over this question also. Now we move on to the next page. Page number 30. See the heading, try this. Show the following animals in outline map of India in figure 5.5. With the help of signs and symbols according to their habitats, answer the following question. Cancel this paragraph. Now come to right hand side, you can see Bengal tiger, great Indian bustard, olive redley, turtles, one-horned rhinos, Nilgiri tar goat, lion, Gangetic dolphins, swamp deer, crocodiles, gharials. Correlate geographical conditions and the flora and fauna there. Do you know some other animals too? Show the habitats of tigers in India with their names on a map. Why is their habitat found in these regions? Please cancel these. Next page is page number 36. See the column, give it a try. Tiger is a national animal of India. The number of tigers is decreasing day by day. The situation is similar to elephants. Find information about such plants and animals. Find about their habitats. What should be done to conserve these animals? In which regions can this be done? Make a presentation on their possible places. Please put a cut over this paragraph. Next, use your brain power. Find out in which parts of India is agriculture practiced like the roka found in India. By what names are they called? Cancel this box. We move on to the next page. Page number 39. Use your brain power. Calculate the population density of area shown in 1 square kilometer of square in A and B each. This box is cancelled. Page number 40, look at the bottom. Page number 40. Give it a try. What could be the reasons of lower sex ratio in any area? In India, number of men outnumber women. Is this condition found in all the states of India? Find out. Please put a cancel on this box. We move on to the next page. Page number 41. Try this. Using the graphs given above, find the difference between the males and females of various age groups. In which age group is this difference the maximum? Please put a cross over these two questions. We move on to the next page. Page number 43. Use your brain power. Is there a relationship between increase in life expectancy and growth of population? If yes, how? Please cancel this question. Next, page number 44. Come to the right hand side of the page. Try this. Write a similar conversation using the graphs in figure 6.7 based on the earlier conversations. Cancel this paragraph. Use your brain power. If the proportion of dependent age groups increases in the composition of population, how will it affect the economy of a country? Cancel this. Give it a try. Study the indices of density maps of both the countries. What difference do you find? What conclusions can you draw? Please cancel this box. Page number 46. See the bottom part to the left hand side. Think about it. Tell whether settlements shown in images 7.1a and b urban or rural. You have to cancel this question and come to right hand side. See the heading, let's recall. Some amenities and facilities are given here. Tick in the relevant column and complete the table on the basis of their presence in urban and rural areas or both. And write 5 sentences on each with examples from your vicinity. Put a cross over this whole box. Can you see? Please do the cancellations properly, students. It will guide you on a proper track. Please use only pencil for cancellation. We move on to the next page. Page number 47. See the column, try this. In figure 7.2, A and B, you can see images of 2 settlements in Brazil. One is from Amazon River Basin in Brazil, where the other belongs to the coastal area. Observe the settlements pattern carefully and name the types of settlement patterns. Write a comment on their density and types. Please cancel this question. Now we move on to the next column, use your brain power. Which factors have affected urbanization in Brazil? Please put a cross over this. Next, page number 52. See on the top, give it a try. Read the following graph and answer the questions. Gross national income from 1960 to 2016. Which country's national income was highest in 2016? Was it how much? Continue up to calculate the difference between the national incomes of developed and developing countries in 2016. Please put a cross over this whole box. Then come down, try this. A table regarding the ownership of various sectors in both the countries is given, like Brazil. Fill the details regarding India and complete the table. Put a cross. On the basis of the information about the ownership of various sectors in both the countries given in the table, can you infer about the type of these economies? Put a cross. Come to right hand side, let's recall. Classify the following activities in by ticking right in the respective column. Put a cross over the box. Please observe carefully and accordingly do the cancellation in your workbook. In your textbook. Page number 53, see the box, think about it. Which type of occupations gives a boost to the development of a country's economy? Cancel it. Make friends with map. Look at the map given in figure 8.3. The major primary occupations in Brazil are shown here. Discuss the following points and write your observations in the notebook. In which part of Brazil is coffee mainly produced? Which food crops are mainly grown in Brazil? Can you relate the production of these crops with the climate here? Where are the rubber plantations concentrated? Complete the table. Please put a cross over it. Sorry. We move on to the next page. Page number 55. See the box. Let's recall. Name the warm and cold ocean currents near Brazilian coast. Put a cross over this. Come here on the right hand side, give it a try. The following images are related to agricultural activities. Identify and write whether they are practiced in Brazil or India. Put a cross. See carefully. Next page is page number 56. See the heading Agriculture in India. Try this. Can you see this? Try this. Show the distribution of crops like wheat, jowar, rice, cotton, sugarcane, tea, and apple in the outline map of India using symbols. Name the map. Put a cross over this. We proceed further. Page number 58. Use your brain power. If Rajasthan does not have a coastal area, then how does it produce salt? Put a cross over this box. Use your brain power. We move on to the next page number. Page number 61. Lesson is tourism, transport and communication. The first heading is try this. On the basis of the things you know about Brazil, make a list of places in Brazil you would like to visit. Continue from this till the last question, which is based on the graph. What could be the reason of increase in tourists in India after the year 2010? Put a cross. Right hand side, can you tell? Answer the questions after reading figure 9.2. You have 4 questions. The last one, which country has a larger population engaged in tourism sector but contributes lesser in GDP? Please cancel these 2 points. See carefully and then do the cancellation with pencil. We move on to page number 63. Make friends with map. Can you see the map here? So put a cross over this full map. If any questions are based on this map, they also stand cancelled. Then come to think about it, considering the development of transport in a place. Which factors do you think are responsible for the development of transport in Brazil? Also think which means of transport could be used in Brazil given its topography and drainage. Please cancel this whole box. Think about it. We move on to the next page. Page number 65. Give it a try. Arun called his mother from Digboy at 7 a.m. At what local time will his mother pick up his call at Jaisalmer? Please cancel this. Try this. You are already aware of the vast longitudinal extent of Brazil. Given are the, we have to proceed further. Please put a cross. We continue on page number 66. The first line. Westernmost and easternmost extreme points of Brazil mainland in figure 9.12. Calculate the difference in time between the 2 points in minutes. So these lines also you have to cancel. Page number 67. See the box. Heading is given. Think about it. It is 12 noon at Delhi. What would be the local time in Brasilia? Please cancel this. With this, students, in today's lecture, we have tried to provide you guidance about the topics which are reduced from your syllabus of geography for the year 2020-21. I hope now students you have a clear picture which topics you're not supposed to prepare. Okay, so with this, Karuna teacher is saying bye to you. Stay at home, stay safe, and do take care of your health. Bye.